What's going on, outdoor lovers? When you are packing for a trip into the woods or preparing your home for unexpected power outages, having reliable lighting is absolutely crucial. Today we are looking at the best camping lantern that you can get your hands on right now. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the eTech City CL10 camping lantern, this little device is designed to be your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures and emergency situations. eTech City has really thought about what people need when the lights go out, creating a lantern that combines brightness, portability, and incredible durability. At the core of the eTech City CL10 is its impressive light output. This lantern features 30 bright LED bulbs that work together to deliver a powerful 360 degrees of illumination. It pushes out up to 154 lumens, which is enough to easily light up an entire tent or a large room. When you are out in the wild, you want a light that spreads evenly in every direction, and the eTech City CL10 does exactly that. You will not have to worry about dark corners because this 30 LED setup provides a beautifully wide and consistent glow. It makes nighttime camping trips feel safe while also serving as a lifesaver during sudden power outages. You can confidently rely on this light when navigating dark trails or reading your maps. One of the coolest things about the eTech City CL10 camping lantern is how you control it. There are no complicated buttons or confusing dials to fumble around with in the dark. Instead, it features completely effortless operation through its brilliantly designed collapsible body. To turn the lantern on, you simply grab the handles and pull the top up to expand it. To turn it off, you just push it back down to collapse it. This sliding motion also acts as your custom brightness control. If you want a soft glow for reading in your sleeping bag, pull the top up just a little bit. If you need maximum light to cook dinner at your campsite, pull it all the way open. It is a wonderfully intuitive system that anyone can use instantly. When it is fully collapsed, the eTech City CL10 is incredibly compact and extremely lightweight. In fact, it is roughly the size of a standard smartphone when closed, meaning it takes up barely any space in your backpack. Whether you are trekking miles into the backcountry or just storing it in a kitchen drawer for emergencies, the highly portable design makes it easy to carry around without adding unnecessary heavy weight to your gear. Powering your gear is a major concern away from civilization, but eTech City has made things remarkably simple. The CL10 runs on 3 standard AA batteries, which are easy to find and cheap to replace. You do not have to worry about finding a charging outlet in the woods or waiting hours for an internal battery to charge. Just pop in fresh batteries and you are good to go. Because the LED bulbs are extremely energy efficient, this lantern offers an outstanding battery life. You can get up to 50 hours of continuous illumination on a single set of batteries. That is enough to last through a long weekend camping trip or a multi-day power outage. Having a dependable, long-lasting light source brings serious peace of mind when facing a storm. Durability is another area where the eTech City CL10 camping lantern shines. Your gear is naturally going to take a beating outdoors. That is exactly why eTech City built this lantern out of strengthened ABS material. This tough, rigid construction gives the lantern the resilience to survive accidental drops on rocky trails or bumps inside your trunk. It is also carefully designed to withstand water exposure, making it an excellent choice for rainy camping nights or humid conditions. You do not have to panic if a sudden drizzle rolls in by the campfire. For added confidence, the CL10 holds an official FCC certification. This means it has been rigorously tested to meet strict safety standards, ensuring that it delivers reliable performance in diverse weather conditions. To top it all off, the eTech City CL10 features a clever design addition that adds a ton of practicality. Right on the top of the lantern, there is a convenient hidden storage compartment. Simply unscrew the top lid, and you will find a handy little space to store your small essentials. You can use it to keep your house keys safe while you hike, store spare coins, or stash your extra batteries or matches. Having a built-in space for backup batteries means you will never misplace them in your bag. It perfectly shows how much thought eTech City put into making the CL10 as genuinely useful as possible. If you are ready to upgrade your outdoor gear and stay fully prepared for any dark situation, grab this today. Check the price link in the description to see current deals. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.